Looking for the best air horns for trucks? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 air horns for trucks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. MPC Train Air Horn Kit. Very loud sound from the 4 horns. Comes with hardware, air compressor, and hoses for installation. Horns hold up to cold weather conditions and years of use. Some people think this 4-trumpet horn system compares to a train horn and is loud enough to scare others out of their lane. Can be difficult to install. Tone is higher pitched than expected. At number 2. Zento deals single trumpet air horn. Tough enough to withstand weather and last through years of use. Runs off 12 volts DC power source. Portable, with the ability to take it from one car to another. Easy installation. Comes with hardware for mounting. Comes with air compressor and hose. Sounds up to 150 decibels. A single trumpet horn that blares a loud signal. Comes with all the hardware and an air compressor for installation. It may not be as loud as expected. Doesn't come with power source or wiring for installation. At number 1. Klein Air Horns, Dual Air Horn. Get noticed with long, dual horn trumpets. Corrosion resistant coating. Deep sound. Really loud horn sound. Operates using a solenoid system. These 2 air horns churn out a loud warning with the deep sound you expect from a truck horn. Requires an air compressor or onboard air system up to 150 pounds per square inch. Only comes with mounting hardware. No hoses or other accessories included. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.